In this video, you will see how to install the OmniVista Terra server. Once you have completed the installation and configuration of your virtual machines, open a web browser, enter one of the 3 IP defined for your virtual machines, followed by the port 3000. You have reached the OmniVista Admin Center, from where you will start the installation of your OmniVista server through this wizard. In the first page, create your OmniVista Terra account. Note carefully your login and password, as this is the account you will use to connect to your OmniVista Terra. You will then reach the first step of the installation wizard, asking you to fill in the email address, company name, country, and time zone. In the second step, enter the expected number of stellar access points and Omni switches to calibrate the server. And enter the 2 other IP addresses of your virtual machines. These could be IPv4 or IPv6 addresses, depending on the configuration that was done during the VM installation. Click the check button. They must be reachable to move to the next part. In the third part, enter the OmniVista Terra main IP address, the OmniVista Terra VPN IP address, UPAM captive portal IP address, and UPAM radius IP address. According to your network setup, these IPs can be in the same or different subnets. Optionally, you can enter your company SMTP settings. In the last step, select the latest OmniVista Terra build file you have previously downloaded in a 7-zip format and uploaded on your server. Once completed, click on the Done button to start the installation of OmniVista Terra with the latest build you just uploaded. The installation process is starting, and you can follow the progress on this page. Note that it will take a couple of minutes to go through the first steps, until the installation step. During the installation, you can also go to the dashboard. And in the Install menu, you can find the ongoing installation, and you can follow it with the installation logs. Once the installation is complete, about 1 hour, you will receive this notification. And at the bottom of the install page, the status of your installation is now a success. All the installation logs are still available. And under the dashboard page, you will find all the OmniVista Terra services, as well as their status, succeed, running, or stopped. You can then reach OmniVista Terra with the URL myovterra.myovcloud.com. But this URL, as well as others used by OmniVista Terra, must be configured in your DNS. Once it is done, use this URL to reach the OmniVista Terra login page. Enter the email address configured in the step 1 of the setup wizard, and use the default password ChangeMe. Once connected, you are then asked to change this password immediately.